Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this Izzy doll pattern. For this, we are using 5 different colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and some stuffings. This Izzy doll looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful doll, you want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. It is very easy to do. To do this doll, first we will make a rectangular piece with different colors for shoe, pant, shirt, face, hat, and then we will join them together to form like this beautiful doll. So now let's see how to do them. To do this Izzy doll pattern, you are going to start with a slip knot. Do 33 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 32 chain. 1, 2, 3. I am doing the sample of this project. So I have done 25 chains. So you have to start with 33 chains. Next you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. So the hook which has the loop is the first chain. You will skip that chain. The next chain you are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to do single crochet in each stitch. So this chain 1 is the turning chain. You're not going to work on that chain. Next stitch, you're going to do a single crochet. Next it's single crochet. Likewise, you're going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you have to do for 4 rows. Totally, you should have done for 5 rows. Already we have done for 1 row, so we are going to do for 4 rows. So this is the leg part of the Izzy doll. After doing 5 rows, it looks like this. This is the shoe part of the doll. Next you have to do the pant part. So you are going to change the color. For that you are not going to finish the last single crochet using red. Instead of that you are taking the other color which you want to work in the next row. You will pull this and finish the single crochet. Do chain 1, turn your work and you are going to do single crochet in each stitch. You can snip off this red color yarn. You'll do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. And for this pant part, you'll be doing 14 rows. This project is just, we are going to do single crochet in each stitch and you're going to make a rectangular piece. In each part, we will be changing the color. This will be the shoe part. Next will be the pant part. For pant, we have to do for 14 rows. Next will be the shirt. Shirt will be doing for 12 rows. Next will be the face. Face will be doing for 10 rows and hat we will be doing for 11 rows. So the pattern is just we are going to do single crochet in each stitch and we will be changing the color based on the parts which we are doing. So after doing them, it looks like this. I have done black color for the shoe for 5 rows. Next red color for the pant I have done for 14 rows. Next for shirt I have done for 12 rows. Next for face I have done for 10 rows. And for hat I have done for 11 rows. So this is how it will look. You can extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. Next we'll see how to make this as a Izzy doll. For that we are going to fold it into 2 and we are going to weave them based on the color which we have done. So this part we'll be doing with brown, this part with cream, this part with blue, this part with red and this part with black. We are just going to weave them by taking both these sides together. So let's see how to do this. So after doing them, it looks like this. Likewise, we are going to join each part. After joining them, it looks like this. So next we are going to do this hat. Let's see how to do it. So we are going to do them in a zigzag method. So we have to do them like this all around till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to pull these two ends. It looks like this. Next, we have to close this hole. Before that, we will make the stuffing. After doing the stuffing, it looks like this. So now we have completed the hat. So next we are going to do the face. For that we will be doing the same thing and pull in this side. After joining all the parts, it looks like this. Next we are going to do the eyes and the mouth. After doing them, the Izzy doll looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.